simple plan. Scotty Sire. It's LT.
We're celebrating July 4th on the 2nd. Where do you get this pack from?
My grocery store that I work at, Giant, on Boot Road. Make sure to come and visit me.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So we're gonna see what I got. The flash with the flash on. We got some lightning blast. Lightning blast. What we got? So we're gonna set a few off here.
There's like take the whisk out.
Yeah.
There's small ones that have take the whisk out that way.
Okay, Wyatt, you ready?
Where's the whisk on this one?
The wick, you mean?
Yeah, the wick.
The wick. The wick. Okay. So Wyatt's over here, and she's gonna set it off. We'll light it, and then it's gonna get off. There's not aerial fireworks; they're just fountain fireworks. Those are known as, right? Yep. Here, we're back up here, and here we go. The first one of the night. Well, you did earlier, but it's all red on my screen. This is a small one too, by the way, so. Alright, that one's up.
It's so pretty.
Thank you. So what we're gonna do now? We're on our pack, Wyatt?
Alright, Carter, give me one.
Carter.
This lighter you guys have. Does Wyatt have it?
Wyatt has a lighter. Wyatt has a lighter.
What is there a lighter?
Yeah, Wyatt has a lighter. Yes. Hey Wyatt, ready for another one?
Hold on, let this one off first.
I'm just waiting. I'm ready for that one.
Here we go.
Another one again lit. It's all red again. There we go.
Beautiful.
You will. Golden. Golden. Yeah, golden. Golden Z looks like.
Golden 7.
Golden 7? Golden 7, Wyatt?
Let's go.
Here it goes. It's a bigger one.
Ooh,
I know, right?
that one's cool. That's what's in there.
Well, there was some there that I think.
Why? Yeah, here's your next one. Yeah.
He just calls it like, yeah.
Look, this one was, it's a tricolor. That's cool.
Well, it's tricolor, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see how much color it gives off. All I see is like green and yellow. And a little bit orange too.
Gold, silver. I see gold and green, that's all I put.
Oh.
Wyatt, here.
Hold on, I can't see right now. Okay.
Gold, silver, it says.
Gold, silver. Oh, that could be there. Kind of cool to watch. What the? Was that? Was that? What's in that one?
I don't know if it's just less than it's seen. Nicole, are you going for another pack? Or are we saving those?
Oh, look at that!
Whoa, check that out.
That was small, but it was short, but it was big, and I liked it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Green.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Is it green?
What are we doing? That R's and R's?
Yes.
Oh, I'll do it the other way.
Oh God, I see a lot.
That's me one of you got.
I'm gonna have to use the bathroom basement out with my cord. But I'm like the best camera.
What's up? I'm gonna see it. What's up?
That was nice. Yeah, I owe the dogs Wyatt. Good job.
I'm looking at the dog. Hand this one to you. A little small. I'm not sure why it's that small, but.
Alright, okay, I'm not gonna record from this one.
That's where.
I'm gonna the last one from Carter's pack and then we'll do Wyatt's pack. Wyatt, what's this one called?
Eggy.
We used to restart our pack. So here we go. I'm going to 4 for these because they're bigger than usual. So Carter's over there. Here we go. Damn. Here we go. Try another big one. It looks big from what I saw. That was good enough, right?
Yeah.
Hey!
Ugly bitches.
Okay, Wyatt, what's the next one we're gonna get?
Alright, so we're on the top of this, and we got some small ones in here too.
You bought this one. Guys, this is dark out of the way.
Alright,
You can already see it in the header.
we have fountain flashing. This one.
So damn small.
Fountain flashing.
Oh my god.
5 pieces. What the hell could this be?
Listen, Nate, look at this. This is so damn small.
Hold that flash right now.
No, you don't see that.
You don't even show on the camera. I'm just saying it could be for Wyatt's enjoyment.
That's
Oh.
so damn small.
We got these little ones. They're colors. Okay.
We'll have all at the same time.
I'm gonna try. Alright, Kyle. You got these ones.
So remember right there.
Boy, how fun is this gonna be?
Yeah.
I found another old bottle rockets. I'm gonna shoot straight up in the air and explode.
Take Carter, back up. And they were small, they can still have a punch.
I'm gonna try to connect all the fuses together. So I can let them up at one time and get it over with.
So you're gonna tie them together, Wyatt, or something?
Not time, just touch them. Just the tip.
Oh God.
I haven't changed my calendar yet.
You haven't?
I need to see classic cars. I have a calendar that shows a new classic car every month.
Nice.
My mom tried to get me one, but she couldn't find what she was looking for.
Okay, Wyatt. A little touching, Wyatt?
Hold on. The tip's not
Let me go on my flag. Let me see it.
I got it.
Let me see. Let me see.
We got purple, we got red, yellow, blue, green.
I love purple.
Everything is purple. Yep, little ones.
There's 2 more that haven't gone off yet.
I'm sad.
That is
Why? Why are you sad?
That sucks.
I'm sad.
Alright, that one fell over.
Oh, it's going right towards my car.
It's not gonna do anything.
Darn, I'm gonna see your back. I'm gonna see your ass.
Yeah, okay.
That's green smoke, man. It doesn't do much. Because you're small ones. The big ones are the issue. Quiet, like the last one.
That was depressing. Alright, never use small boxes ever again.
As Juice would say, and I'm sad. Because I'm sad.
Here's a, it's called Splash.
What is it?
Splash.
Let me see. Squash. I don't really see that one.
With that conference video. No, just want me to fire. I'm sad. That's how I feel now. I'm sad.
Alright, Wyatt, you ready? Where's the fuse at?
Okay, I swear to God, if there's another one like that, I'm gonna have to go cry on the floor of my bathroom. Neil will be the guy who cry or shows us.
Alright, we have the fuse, and we're gonna light this thing now. So, card up again because this is another big one. All the colors, man. Green and red. And gold a little bit too. Loud bangs, man. That's all I'm gonna say. Loud bangs.
And the highest one. I saw one right up there.
Yeah, that's the one too, man. So we saw off 2 so far. So why wasn't this one called? And then I think Cora aims to see what this one's called.
There's a skinny one here. Crackling strobe effect.
Oh God.
Oh, it's the same small ones. Carl, I'm not gonna light those. I'll wait those for myself in the morning. More film.
Like tomorrow, Wyatt?
Carter, you steal those from me?
What's this one? What's this one called, Wyatt?
This one is called
Sil-
Silver Snow Fountain.
Silver Snow Carter. Ready? Okay, we got so Wyatt's gonna get the fuse out. And you're gonna get the fuse out.
Silver Snow in summertime.
Alright. Now it's called Silver Snow
Fountain.
Fountain. Silver Snow Fountain. So now it's a fountain fire. It's a fountain firework. It's all night tonight so far. Silver Snow Fountain. Oh, I'm ready to see this. There's the silver. And the snow is in there too. Strobe effect. Well, Wyatt, was that really? Do you think that was a really strobe effect or not?
Yeah.
These should are reflecting in this light, by the way.
Yeah. All right.
What's next? What's next? Carter, are you interested in what's next? Oh God.
Oh, do we have some sparklers in here? We got Pump 5, ages 6 or 8, 106. Are these sparklers?
Oh, they sparklers? They're sparklers.
I can freak out, they are.
I think they are.
They are more lightning now.
They are.
Okay, we're doing sparklers.
We're doing sparklers. We got sparklers in here. So Wyatt, get the. Oh my God, sparklers! I'm recording this. Put it right on camera.
You want a sparkler?
Carter, what are you thinking right now?
Give it Trojans, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. The camera sparklers. Okay, Carter.
I'm gonna turn the camera off a little bit now. Alright, what's the next one you're gonna have? That's all you have to do. We look for sparklers, and they were actually not sparklers. They were
Carter,
actually.
that's more small fire fountain.
Do that one. Do the green one. Oh, that one looks.
Rose Blossom.
Oh, Carter.
What's this? We have a lot left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carter.
What?
Next one's called Rose Blossom. You ready for this?
Titan.
Okay, Wyatt.
I'm still all stone cold on this one. You want to toss this one? Those are
All right, Wyatt. Ready? Are you ready?
Hey, here. What toss me at that one? I'll just open it like that. Okay. Oh wait, let's wait till after this one. Yeah,
This is disappointing. Now it's not. Now we're getting somewhere with this. I'm not sure it's gonna. What's the rose blossom part? Okay, Wyatt. What the hell is what was the rose part of that?
Alright, watch out.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, that curve's a little too much. I can't do it like that.
Alright, let's see what's next.
Whoa!
Gold dust.
Gold dust.
Well, James, let's do that.
Carter, like, we are the golden truth.
What?
That was like golden dark truth. Alright, guys, we can see a thing, so I'm walking back. Because why is this firework with. Well, is that cylinder?
No.
Okay. We got some big ones, guys, still left in our pack, so there's like some of the big ones, not all of them. So here's the first one we're gonna see. I always shoot something, man. It's very nice. Okay, what, are you a fan, what? Are you a fan of the real big things going on like that?
Can I ask you guys a question about something I don't really give a shit about?
I heard. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Did they trick us?
Not yet.
What's this
Can I
one
ask you
called?
a quick question about something I don't really give a shit about?
What?
Well, why doesn't really give a shit about either, but why Dylan does. This is greatest WWE superstar of all time.
Andre the Giant.
The Rock. What do you
It's called Half Pint.
Half pint?
Okay, so all of us say different things, just for the record.
What would you say?
Who's the greatest baseball player of all time?
Mickey Mantle.
Hank Aaron.
Will Mays.
Willie Mays, but however, I can't argue with Hank Aaron and Mickey Mantle.
Alright, guys. Come back out.
Yeah, I put him later.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's shut up. Oh, color change. They lied to us, man. They don't shoot up. Now I'm pissed.
Got me so happy.
What?
When I heard, I'm like, this makes me so happy. I'm like, I actually got it.
How about that?
Okay, Wyatt,
Okay.
what's next?
Next,
What's it called?
Pyro Fan.
Oh, God.
Alright, guys, greatest hockey player of all time. Who is it?
Bobby Clark.
No.
What's wrong with you?
Wayne Gretzky.
Exactly.
Wow, are you dumb?
I thought you said Flyers.
No.
Greatest hockey
Oh,
player.
Wayne
of all
Gretzky.
Wayne
Hockey
Gretzky.
player of all time?
Yeah.
Wayne Gretzky. Like, no one.
That's what I'm saying. Who's
Best goalie of all time, Bernie Perrant.
successful baseball team in baseball history?
Carter.
Well, you were asking questions like that, so I just like.
It's Wayne Gretzky, for the love of God.
I thought
Carter.
it was Flyers. So I said
The
Bobby
best
Clark.
goalie of all time, Bernie Perrant.
I don't know. I haven't seen him a lot.
He was retired when you were born. Alright, let's go. Back up, boys.
played with Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby.
Bingo.
Honus Wagner?
No, Holland's mine though. That's how you say it.
Okay, Wyatt. Ah,
It's Wagner.
First baseman.
The dark horse. Or whatever. Iron horse?
Yeah, Iron Horse. That's how you say it.
let's go, boys. This is new. I've never seen this before. It's all red, orange and shit, man. That looks. Oh my god, I'm gonna smoke in my eye right now, man.
Second baseman. No way.
Dude,
Rogers Hornsby. That's his name.
Carter. He on the Phillies. No one cut out the Phillies, okay?
He was.
He was on the
Back when
Dodgers.
they were actually the Phillies, he's actually going to win a game.
Because is it the one that Eagles? Was that why?
We got the Red Sparrow.
Oh god.
Like Jack Sparrow from the.
Man.
Yeah.
This is the tale of the lovely cup sparrow.
What the hell?
Michael Bolton, Lonely Island.
Yes.
Right, third baseman.
Third baseman.
David Bell.
Scott Rowland.
David Bell.
Not even close. Both of you are wrong.
Do you know this?
Yeah, Kyle.
Freddie Galvis.
Mike Schmidt. That's who. Mike Schmidt.
Is only a Phillies player? Wow.
Yeah.
Galvis.
Only time you ever.
Freddie.
Alright, Red Sparrow.
It's a big one too, guys. It's a big one too. We saw the size of it earlier. That was nice. I enjoyed that. I know you can't see what I'm seeing, but it was nice in the beginning. I think it's a little smoke, but I'm trying to get a better angle. You can see it right? Is it better here? I don't know. They try, but they don't succeed.
I remember when I was with my friend Kevin Koch. We went to the Wendy's you used to work at. Right, you know that courtyard right there?
I used to work at?
Okay.
Wendy's you used to work at? Yeah, that courtyard right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they bring a
Cool, right,
fireworks
this is cool,
around
right?
there, and we went to watch the fireworks. Pretty we got shot. So like we were like still on the beach and
Who on?
trying to firework.
What is it called? Oh, what is it called?
It's called Global Lights.
Carter? What's on to you?
California.
I was thinking
Global Lights, man? Are you
I was
serious?
thinking of New York.
Alright, Carter. I think you're right.
So,
It's freaking California, man. Alright, let's go.
I'd show California right now.
Let's go.
Probably like me with
Alright, boys. Wyatt's over there. You can see him, Carter. You can see him in the light a little bit. There's Wyatt running away now. We'll see him in the light. If I can get light on this. I'm enjoying it right now. Get some red, some yellow, some gold as well. Oh, global lights. I'm seeing a lot of light. And this one's right in the air.
This is a long one.
Yeah, it's a big one too. What the hell?
Let it die down. Step back.
Not explode or anything. Cause we had these.
Probably not, but who knows?
You can still see on the camera. Let me zoom in, guys, so you can see what we're waiting for. That light has not gone out yet.
Alright. Now it's out.
Yeah, it's okay, guys. That's a long one.
I know. I thought it had like more like big tackles.
Okay, dude, it's called the woods for a reason.
Alright,
We got now.
the last and final one, right?
Really?
Yep, the last and final one. It's called Honky Tonk.
Woo!
Honky tonk.
Honky tonk. That's what that was.
There's hot pictures on here.
Let me see. Let me see.
Well, like animated, but
Yeah, I'm not doing.
and then
Honky tonk.
and then we got piano boy playing his tunes, whistling and shit.
Yeah. I know. All right, boys, ready? Maya, you ready? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, boys. Last one.
Honky Tonk, bitch, a Donkey Dunk.
I'm gonna be Wyatt's car for this one because I can get better.
Oh yeah, honky tonk one more. Let's do it.
Whoa! I know, right? It's gonna rain now, little man. There's a raindrop. Amazing.
Well, thank you very much.
Honky Tonk.
Oh.
I
Good?
I think half pint was the best because I shot up high. Now Corey's gonna sleep. Now,
Thank you very much.
alright, here's a final fire for the night. Pimples are gonna fire at Ariel. Areolas, aerial fires, get it? Cause areola. Yeah.
So guys, that was it. We had Car's box and our box. Some little dinky ones. Why don't want to start off his press in the morning at some point.
I'm putting Car to bed.
Yeah.
What'd you say? What?
Would you sit on my bed?
He said he's gonna put the mini flowers in her bed and set them off.
Fuck you, Wyatt.
No, you're not gonna like it, big boy. Right? Oh yeah.
Stretch it.
I will. Wait till tonight.